It's our life experiences that define who we are. It's our life experiences that allow for us to interact, understand, and appreciate the world that we live in.
This is Richard Bernstein. He's a U.S. State Supreme Court Justice, but there's a catch. He's blind.
And I think that I've been blessed as a person who is blind to have known some hardship and struggle and challenge. Because of those challenges and because of those life experiences, it allows for me to serve as a merciful, kind, compassionate, but most importantly, empathetic jurist.
It lends itself to somebody with experience, knowledge, and let's face it, a passion to do the right thing, always.
To memorize his cases, an associate reads them out loud to Bernstein over and over again until he has the details of each case embedded in his mind. In court, once he hears the procedural history, he's able to remember the case as a whole.
I know those cases backwards and forwards, front to back. Going to law school as a blind person was incredibly difficult. I used to pray every day that I would have the strength and the stamina and the ability to simply get through law school. And I promised God that if He gave me this chance, then I would dedicate my entire professional career to helping people with disabilities and special needs.
Voters in Michigan elected Bernstein to office in 2014. He was the first blind state Supreme Court justice in the United States. Throughout his law career, he has been proven to be a tireless advocate for the disabled community, winning landmark settlements that often set national standards protecting the rights and safety of people with disabilities.
His cases always came against major corporations who could afford unlimited attorney fees. Or governments,
Yeah.
unlimited.
Yeah.
And you would he would walk into court and there would be 6 attorneys on one side, and on the other side, on the plaintiff's side, there would be Richard.
Just Ricky.
By himself. No books.
No notes.
No notes.
So often it's vision that creates problems. If you're able to see, you get distracted. You get distracted by how people look or how people dress. If you're not able to see, you can focus on the core of the person, the core of their testimony.
People are truly drawn to him. He has this great energy, and he's always had that. And I think he always will.
Not only has Bernstein proven himself in the courtroom, but also as an athlete.
I ran the New York City Marathon, which was very challenging because you're running with 50,000 people through the streets of New York, and that was an incredibly challenging thing. We had a great team, and we got through the marathon, and we did it.
Now he takes people far beyond our family, that you don't have to have sight to have vision.
I think that the hope of being a Supreme Court justice is that we are aware of what we can achieve. We simply need for people who are not disabled to understand and appreciate what we can offer and what we can do, and to simply give us a chance. That is really the thing that we're asking for. We know what we can accomplish, we know what we can achieve, we know what we can do. We simply need the able-bodied members of community to provide us with that opportunity to do it.